Hi everyone, I'm back with another reading. So let's check what are the messages that the spirit guides are wanting to convey to you. The cards have fell. Let me pick them up. So the very first card we have here is the Four of Pentacles. So maybe a person was holding themselves back till now. They are still holding themselves back. Okay, maybe you or your person. It was all going well. There were a lot of positive signs as well in the connection. Okay, you were seeing a lot of positive changes. You are also seeing somewhere you are seeing, signs related to your person or maybe the connection. Maybe you accidentally or maybe surprisingly, unexpectedly, you spot their name somewhere. Maybe somebody just, whispers their name, or maybe you just hear their name somewhere, you read their name, maybe their surname or name, or maybe some letters, some numbers which might be resonating. Okay, their birth dates or their birth month, anything could be the case. So if you are spotting such signs, then this could be your confirmation as well. And if there were certain sentences that your person might be using, and you read them somewhere, the same sentence, or maybe you hear somewhere, then this also could be a sign that they are missing you. Fine. So this is the specific message that I get today. Okay. And till now your person was holding themselves back. They are still holding, maybe, or maybe you are doing the same. And So there has been, as I said, there has been a lot of positive things happening, but maybe you are a giver, or maybe a person is a giver in the connection. Okay, they keep on giving, and they do not expect anything in return but just your love and time and care, or maybe some reciprocation from your end as well. They are fighting, they are ready to even fight for you. Okay, they are fighting for this connection to work out. They are even ready to put the faith and belief in the connection and fight against the society. Maybe this could be, if this is the situation, or this is the case, okay, in your connection, where it's somewhere there are differences. Okay, or maybe there are some issues related to your families, or there are some differences, okay, between the two of you, maybe age gap. Okay, or maybe if you are um, worried about your religion or something, or maybe if you are worried about the society or something, what would society think and how would they react, then please do not worry. Okay, it's all working out. Till now the person was holding themselves, herself or himself back due to this reason. Okay, this particular reason. But now I think, because of your love and care, and your reciprocation, or maybe the respect that you provide them with, they are coming back in your life, and they are wanting to do something. So they are wanting to give you everything that you have offered them in the connection. Maybe even they are, their specifically their heart is melting. That is what I'm getting. Because of your efforts and love, their heart is slowly melting. Okay, due to some fights or something, or misunderstandings or disagreements, they were not open to the relationship, or they were not ready to offer commitment, but now they were holding themselves back. Okay, but now they will be not easily, but they will be trying to do something for you. Okay, take a few steps, maybe you or your person, this could be anybody, okay, in the connection. Next we have is 10 of Pentacles. So okay, I also get some irritation in the throat. So maybe this is a sign that your person is wanting to say something to you, or they are wanting to convey something. They are not able to. There are throat chakra issues. Maybe you are not able to open up so well when you are with your person, or when you are having a conversation with them. Maybe you are not in a talking stage. You are in no contact situation or something, and your person is wanting to share something. Maybe they want you to talk, okay, about something, a specific situation, or the fight that you had in the past. Okay, so maybe if possible, please resolve the fight. Okay, your person is wanting to do the same, okay, to make this work out. So the next card that we have is 10 of Pentacles. So your person is going to meet you, or maybe there is an unexpected meetup somewhere. Okay, you guys unexpectedly meet somewhere, or maybe you have met somewhere recently, or if you have not met them yet, then maybe you are unexpectedly meeting them very soon. Within 10 days, I get within 10 hours, next 10 hours or 10 days are important. Maybe white color is important, yellow color is quite important. Yellow might be your favorite color, because I spot a lot of yellow in these 4 cards. See, yeah, so we have a lot of yellow color. So maybe you are a giver, you have recently gifted something, or maybe your person has recently gifted something to you, okay, and they have asked you to meet you, okay, or maybe for a meetup or something, they want to meet you, or maybe go on dates or something. But most importantly, sorry guys, but most importantly, they want to have a heart to heart conversation or something, okay, they want to talk things out to you. That is the only thing or message that I get or I can read. Okay, next we have is the Empress card and also King of Cards. I don't know why I'm taking these two cards today. Okay, I never read cards simultaneously, but today I am getting the message that I should do that. See, we have a male as well as a female personality. So this is not a gender based reading, but we have masculine as well as feminine energy in the connection here today. That is what I'm getting. And both are trying to balance things out. Okay, they are trying to, make things work between the two of them. They are not thinking anything about, they are not thinking anything about the people present or society, about other issues present or something. They are just focused on each other. They just want to make things work between the two of them, okay, they do not want to lose the person, they do not want to lose the connection they are, or maybe the person that they are dealing with, or maybe the connection is so important and so unique and so fulfilling that you are not wanting to lose that. So maybe this could be the case, okay, and the person that you are dealing with or missing is also feeling the same. So the person, the male or the female figure in the connection, they both are having same feelings and they are on the same platform, okay, or maybe where they both have equal emotions for each other. So that will be soon happening in your connection as well, and you will be soon witnessing the same whatever I am speaking, even if it's not making sense right now, but this could be the case with you soon as well, okay. So the person that you are dealing with is having feelings for you, they are emotional, they are ready to offer you the cup of emotions, because now they are ready to give a try or chance, to the connection, that things can work out if you both want to make it work. So if your person has been doing a lot of things which are making you feel very special, which you have never experienced, in any of your previous connections, okay, if they are trying to make you feel really special in the connection, then this could be a sign that your person is really into you, and they are a divine person who is just a giver, and they do not expect anything in return, okay. That is what I get. So you feel loved in the connection, you feel warm in the connection, you feel their warmth, okay, the warmth of love in the connection, okay. It's so satisfying and fulfilling. Even if you guys are apart, even if you are not together, still they are making sure that you feel loved in the connection, you feel that you too deserve and you are too worthy of love. I get the song सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना हो के भी कुछ लागे. So this is the song that I get, okay. So they are just a giver, they are just wanting to give you and make you feel special and loved, because they feel that you deserve a lot of amount of love, and they are just into you, okay. They are not thinking of anybody else, they can't even think of anybody else, okay. So please don't fear about that. So yeah, next we have is Five of Swords. Till now they have faced, or maybe you have faced, a lot of setbacks when it comes to commitment or relationships, but now this won't be the case, okay. So stop running from the connection which your heart is agreeing to. Don't listen to your mind, okay, if you want to love somebody, or you want to make things work with the person you love. So please don't let your mind play games with you, okay. You think that you are winning, but you are not, okay. If you are thinking from your mind, you are not winning at all when it comes to love. So please stop doing that and stop running from the things that you have prayed. So please stop running from the things that you have once prayed for. Now God is showering those blessings on you, and you are just keeping on running away from them. So if God knows to give, He also knows to take them away from you. So please don't take your blessings for granted. Fine. Next we have a star card. Star card. So I get a lot of diamonds around you. Maybe they are wanting to gift you diamonds or something, or maybe they are just wanting to make you feel they are considering you their diamond, or maybe you are a precious person in their life, okay. You are very much special and precious in their life, okay. Okay, so let us check what are the specific love messages. Today, I think it's a very different and very much specific reading. I also sang a song today in the reading, so maybe your person is wanting to sing a song for you. They're wanting to express their feelings. Sorry, their feelings by singing a song, your favorite song maybe, and make you happy. Fine. So let us check what are the specific love messages for you guys. Okay, I want 5. Okay, yes, we have 5 messages here. Okay, the first one we have is, I left you before you could leave me. So maybe your person asked you to block them, your person asked you to, stay away from them in anger, but the only thing they wanted was you to be with them. So whenever we are angry, we always tend to make the people who are loved by us, we shout on them, we just irritate them, or maybe we just get angry easily on them. Okay, so that doesn't mean that we do not love them. Fine. So if your person has told you to stay away from them, then you should, if you really love them, then you would never be leaving them when they ask you to leave. Fine. So if this person is important, if they are making you feel loved, then it's wrong to leave them. Okay, and just because of their anger. Okay, if they are putting down their self-respect for you, then you should respect them now. Okay, because self-respect is important for everybody. Okay, if they are putting it down for you, if they are compromising that for you, then you are really important for them. Fine. So please value that person in your life. Okay. Next we have is, I love you unconditionally. What else do you need? This is your confirmation. What else do you need? You and I were too young. So maybe, as I said, there was some kind of age gap or something, maybe maturity issues, maybe some other issues to deal with. So your person, or maybe you thought that she or he is very young for these things, to deal with. So maybe you left them, or you are still not giving this a chance or something. But please don't do that. They love you unconditionally and they are not giving up on you. Fine. I will wait for you, and I will wait for a sign from you. So they are waiting for a sign. Go and talk. That is what I get. Go and have a word with them. Have a word with them. Go and talk. Okay, because this is just becoming a burden for your person. If you are not talking to them, and they are not getting a text from their favorite person, then it just spoils their day. That is what I'm getting. I can't stop thinking about you. See, they continuously think about you, they are emotional about you, they love you unconditionally, they are waiting for a sign from you. What else do you need? Fine. So next we have is, I replay our conversations over and over again. So maybe they are rereading your texts, going through the same things. Maybe they are just, it's all in their head. Okay, maybe they are replaying your conversations in their mind and head. Okay, whatever the case may be. So have a word. They are missing you a lot. Go and have a word. Okay. Yeah, so today's reading was very beautiful. Okay, very specific and different messages. I also sang a song today. So it was a very fulfilling reading for me as well. I feel very satisfied and at peace when after I have finished this reading. I have no confusion. I have no anxiety after reading the channelized messages. So maybe peace is coming back in your life. Do not worry. So these were your messages. I hope you resonated with it well. Please claim your positive energies and comment below. And like our video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. We'll meet with another reading tomorrow. Thank you.